Who is just like completely over this background? There, is that better, guys? I feel like I was just completely 150% over that other background. So we're gonna switch it up to the black background today. For today's Sephora unboxing, I have not did any sneak peeks in this box whatsoever. My sister-in-law called me trying to like splurge the deets, and I was like, do not give me any hints. I don't want to know what's in the box because I like it to be like as natural as possible for my unboxing. Like, I want to be surprised with you guys. So that's what we're doing today. This vanity is a complete disaster. There's like teal hair, I kid you not, like everywhere. Godiva, don't even start with me. You got your cookie, you're all set. Sephora Play unboxing is going to be for the month of January. What is your problem, child? No. I'm dealing with a spoiled dog, so if you hear her barking throughout the video, I apologize in advance. See? No. I do not succumb to threats. Barking threats. Okay. So, as always, super, super cute. Let me get this off camera. Super cute marketing materials. It says a beautiful 2018 on this side, like a little bit of what's coming up for the year. So they have like in January, your skin won't just glow on its own. Get over here. Come. What's the issue? What's the issue? What's the problem? Tell them. What's going on with you? You gonna be a good girl while mommy films? Can't hear you. What exactly is the issue? Okay, so I'm putting her down. All right, so let's get this out of the way. So as I was saying, you have a beautiful 2018. It's got like a lineup of the 12 months. You have your Beauty Insider points. I have last month's too. I was really bad, and even though I bought something a couple days ago, I forgot my thing, so I'm gonna put this into my wallet so I don't forget. But it says your skin won't just glow on its own. Use this calculation below to find out how much water you should drink daily. Hit the number every day this month. So it has your weight divided by 2. What? Your weight divided by 2. So if I'm 100 pounds, which I'm actually under that, but for purposes, it says that equals the number of ounces that I'm supposed to be drinking of water. What? I'm lucky I can get 1 bottle of water in. They're crazy. So anyway, super cute. All right, so let's go with what's in this month's baggie, which kind of is like vibing with my whole look going on. This says Happy New Year. That's really cute. They always kill it with the packaging. All right, so let's dump this bad boy out. And looks like a pretty good array of skincare and makeup-y stuff. Huge fan of this Super Cleanse. I love this one. So it's really nice to have a mini. And I'm actually getting low on some of my cleansers, so it's nice to have a re-up. But this is, I'll read kind of what it says. It's an ultra creamy cleanser. Uses a blend of 3 charcoals to clear pores and remove excess oil and makeup, which your girl needs. You guys know me, I am a grease ball. What else here? Yeah, so it's basically a cleanser. It's really good, charcoal based. Next we have a Stroke of Good Lacquer. Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have another lip gloss. We just had a lip gloss in, we had Veronica, I want to say, Vintage. So we had Vintage, and it's really weird that they would put like 2 Anastasia lip glosses back to back. This one is Kristen, and it's an opaque high pigment lip gloss in Desert Sand shade for shiny lacquer lips. And it's a deep nude color, weightless formula, perfect way to play up your lips on a night out. So I'm going to, actually I'm not gonna put this on my lips. I'm just gonna swatch it next to the other one so we can kind of see the two differences in what they gave us. So this is Kristen right here. Pretty nice, and honestly it looks really close to vintage if you ask me. But okay, so vintage is just a hair more pink. The other one's just a tad more brown, like orangey brown. So this is vintage from last month, and then this is Kristen. Which I'm into the lip glosses, but like two back to back from the same company is weird to me. But anyway, I love me some lip gloss, so I will definitely get used to both of those. But that's kind of like how they look. Next up we have the Cheek You Seek. This is a Makeup Forever blush, I'm assuming. A pressed powder blush in a soft shimmery peach for a hint of warm cheek color. Blush can go so wrong, but when it's good, it's divine. This is a favorite of makeup professionals, and it actually looks like a really pretty color. Now, I'm not really a blush girl, if I'm honest. I just put some bronzer on and like call it a day, but I'm always open to like trying. So let's just see. This is kind of hard because it's so small, but if I just swatch it, that's kind of what it looks like. It looks like a really nice sheer peach. I'm gonna try and put some on my skin right now, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. So I'm just gonna kind of put my boot. And again, it's kind of a hard thing to get your brush into like something that's really like the size for like an eyeshadow, but we shall try. Are we seeing any difference? Like, this is really hard to get out, but I do like the color. Like, if I was gonna wear any blush, it'd be like a light baby pink or peach. I'm not into like super dramatic blushes. Is this like adding a little flush to my cheeks? I don't even know. By the way, I need to like recolor my hair because it's fading a lot, and I need to re-up on top. I can tell that it's definitely like a different color than the rest of it. All right, so I think I'm into this blush. Really nice. Next we have a Pep in Your Prep, a hydrating and brightening under eye cream. Ooh, that's good. I don't actually have an under eye cream right now. That's easy to pop in your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. Say goodbye to tired eyes with this moisturizing and brightening eye cream. Powered by peptides, it will keep you looking refreshed all day long, no matter how little sleep you got. And I really like kind of like a rounded tip, and then you just squeeze out and it comes out, and it's really nice, like an easy shape to get underneath the eye. I'm gonna try this tonight. I actually really needed like an eye cream, so it's perfect timing. Next we have a Pretty Sweet Peel. This is by the brand Basha. I never know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It is an exfoliating peel gel. A gel peel that exfoliates gently using AHAs. I don't know what that is, but I know like some of the best peels use that. And removes impurities for bright, soft skin. It says this is the best remedy for skin that's feeling just a little blah. The antioxidant-rich blend of fruit enzymes revitalizes a dulled complexion to reveal radiant skin without feeling too harsh. So apparently the AHAs like exfoliate but gently, so your skin isn't like has just like a fresh scent to it. But how do you use this though? Apply to dry, clean skin and massage in circular motions all over the face for a few minutes, and then you rinse with water. So it doesn't stay on very long. You just kind of give your skin like a nice little massage while it's on, and then you just rinse away. So I will definitely try this. I love my skincare products so much. I think we're ready to wrap things up here. The last product that I have is for the love of luxury. This is a deep conditioning hair mask that I will be using tonight. I love me some good hair mask. It's got all the good stuff. Coconut oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter are the key ingredients in this hair saving treatment that penetrates damaged hair and nourishes with necessary vitamins. hydrates and leaves behind a heavenly scent. That is it for January's unboxing. I think that's it. If you guys like my content and want to see more from me, definitely hit that bell below and you'll get notified every time I post a new video, and we can keep in touch that way. All my socials are below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.